दोस्तों नमस्कार। दोस्तों उम्मीद करता हूँ आप अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी पूरे डेडिकेशन से कर रहे होंगे। और आज एक पैसेज डिक्टेट करने वाला हूँ मैं। और ये द ट्रिब्यून है आज की डेट का और उसका एडिटोरियल पेज है। तो ये डिक्टेशन सभी के लिए बेनिफिशियल है, चाहे वो स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन की तैयारी कर रहा हो, हरियाणा स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन की तैयारी कर रहा हो, या फिर दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट का जो सीनियर पर्सनल असिस्टेंट है और पर्सनल असिस्टेंट उसकी तैयारी कर रहा हो। तो पैसेज की स्पीड अच्छी रहेगी, ठीक है, थोड़ा फ्लक्चुएशन भी रहेगा। और इस जो न्यूज़पेपर का एडिटोरियल पेज है, इसकी फोटो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा, तो आप इसको लिखिएगा। पैसेज थोड़ा लेंथी भी हो सकता है, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा लेंथी हुआ तो मैं इसको दो पार्ट में बोल दूंगा। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। The employees pension scheme, the contributory pension system intended for the well-being of the employees provident fund members when they retire from service, has become very chaotic. Stop frequent amendments and unilateral interpretations by the fund authorities and the litigation that followed have resulted in the present impasse, wherein hundreds of thousands of employees and retirees across the country find their eligible benefits denied by the Employees Provident Fund organization. Stop. In its verdict on the EPS amendment of 2014, the Supreme Court on November 4, 2022 upheld the methodology amended with retrospective effect for calculating the employee's pensionable salary. Stop. Under the EPF framework, the employee and the employer contribute monthly to an employee's EPF account. Stop. The EPS was implemented in 1995 to guarantee pension to EPF members upon retirement. Stop. A portion of the employer's EPF share is transferred to the pension fund, using which the member is given a monthly pension after retirement. Stop. If the employer contributes a share equal to 12% of the total salary to an employee's EPF account, the employee becomes eligible to receive a higher pension proportionate to his full salary, provided an option is exercised for the same, with permission to transfer a higher amount from the employer's EPF share to the pension fund. Stop. The amount of monthly pension is calculated as the pensionable salary multiplied by pensionable service and divided by 70. Stop. The pensionable salary before the 2014 amendment was the average monthly salary over the last 12 months in service. Stop. The 2014 amendment to the EPS altered with retrospective effect the pensionable salary as the average monthly salary over the last 60 months, which was upheld by a three-judge bench of the Supreme Court in November 2022. Para. The apex court has held that we do not find any illegality or unconstitutionality in effecting the 2014 amendment for computing with retrospective effect the pensionable salary as the average salary of the last 60 months against the average salary of the previous 12 months. Stop. In doing so, the Supreme Court noted that the legislative authorization does exist to modify the scheme prospectively or retrospectively. Stop. The stipulation in paragraph 32 of the pension scheme, which says at any time when the employees pension fund so permits, the central government may alter the rate of contributions payable under this scheme or the scale of any benefit admissible under this scheme or the period for which such benefit may be given also received the consideration of the Supreme Court. Stop. The Supreme Court further considered the illustrations presented by the EPFO, showing that the manual laborers and women drawing low wages would get reduced pension when pensionable salary is computed on a 12-month average basis instead of a 60-month average basis. Stop. Resultantly, the amended method of calculating the pensionable salary got validation with the observation that there is a reasonable basis for effecting change in the computation methodology for determining pensionable salary. Para. The salary in regular employment increases gradually over time. Stop. Hence, the pensionable salary of the last 60 months will be considerably lower than that calculated as the average salary of the last 12 months, reducing the pension amount substantially. Stop. On an average, a retiree with 30 years of regular service and a last drawn monthly salary of rupees 1 lakh will lose around rupees 5,000 in his monthly pension owing to this modification. Stop. Members who joined the pension scheme knowing and believing the pensionable salary as the amount averaged over the last 12 months suffer because of this rule change midway through service. Stop. Backtracking from the pre-agreed terms by the EPFO, causing financial loss to the employees throughout their retirement is nothing but a breach of trust unexpected from a statutory body. Stop. दोस्तों बहुत ही बढ़िया डिक्टेशन है और एग्जाम के लेवल की डिक्टेशन है। इस तरह की डिक्टेशन बहुत अच्छी रहती है। अगर आप इसको ट्रांसक्रिप्शन करेंगे तो कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिखिएगा कि आपकी कितनी मिस्टेक आई, ताकि सभी स्टूडेंट्स देख सकें कि आप लोग कितनी तैयारी कर रहे हैं और एक दूसरे का हौसला आप लोग मिलके बढ़ा सके। तो दोस्तों थैंक यू, मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए नमस्कार, जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।